In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to screen record with an inbuilt screen recorder on Windows 11 operating system. An inbuilt screen recorder in Windows 11 is significant for its convenience and cost-effectiveness, as it allows users to capture screen activities without needing third-party software. To do this, you will just have to press the print screen key on your keyboard. This option will appear onto your screen. Just click on the video icon to select an area you want to screen record. To capture the whole screen, drag the mouse pointer from the upper corner to the bottom corner of your computer screen. You will then get this option of Start. Click on it to start screen recording your screen. That's how easy it is to use an inbuilt Windows 11 screen recorder to screen record your screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.